So if I do not find somebody soon, I'll blow up into smithereens and spew my tiny symphony all up and down a city street while trying to put my mind at ease. Like finishing this melody, this feels like a necessity. So this could be the 10th of me, or maybe just a better me. Now come in with the Tiffany's and take a shot at